Good morning, my lovely kids. I hope you all are fine and taking care of yourselves. So, kids, today we are going to learn a new topic, and the new topic is the stages of human growth. What we are going to learn today? Yes, today we will learn the stages of human growth. Okay, like you all know, जो हम सब हैं, we all are human beings. हम सब क्या हैं? We all are human beings. Okay, and what is the meaning of growth? ग्रोथ का मतलब क्या होता है? व्हेन वी ग्रो, व्हेन लाइक अ ट्री, जैसे जो ट्री होता है, जो फर्स्ट हम क्या करते हैं, वी सॉ अ सीड इन द सॉइल. ठीक है, जो ट्री होता है ना, वो कैसे बनता है? सबसे पहले उसकी जो सीड होती है ना, वो हम डालते हैं, वी पुट इट इन द सॉइल एंड वी स्टार्ट वाटरिंग इट. फिर हम जब उसको पानी डालते हैं, स्लोली व्हेन इट गेट्स एयर, सनलाइट एंड एयर, सो इट स्टार्ट ग्रोइंग. फिर धीरे धीरे वो बड़ा होता है, स्टेम कम्स आउट फ्रॉम इट, देन इट हैव लीव्स, देन स्लोली इट ग्रोज मोर एंड इट हैड फ्लावर्स इन इट. ओके, देन फ्रूट्स, सो इट्स स्टार्ट्स ग्रोइंग. तो सबसे पहले क्या होता है? देयर इज़ अ स्मॉल सीड. Okay, in the same way for the human beings also, a human being is born like a baby. देखो इसमें फर्स्ट दिखा रहा है ना बेबी, then it slowly grows. वो धीरे धीरे बड़ा होता है. Okay, so basically there are 5 stages of human growth. Let's see them. So today we will learn stages of human growth. Now the first stage is baby boy or a baby girl. What is the first stage? A baby boy or a baby girl. So everyone in this world is born as a baby boy or a baby girl. You all were born like this. Your mama, papa, grandfather, grandmother, everyone. Your ma'am is also born as a baby girl. ठीक है, और आप लोग भी, if you are a boy, so you were born as a baby boy, and if you are a girl, you were born as a baby girl, like this. जब आप born हुए थे, you were like this. You were a small baby. You were not having any senses. कुछ आपको पता नहीं चलता था. जब न्यू बॉर्न बेबी बॉर्न होता है ना, सो ही डजेंट स्पीक, वो कुछ बोलता नहीं है. ही कैन नॉट वॉक, ही कैन नॉट सिट, ही यूज टू स्लीप एंड क्राई एंड ईट देयर फूड. Okay, simply 3 things they have to do because they are newborn baby and still they need to develop. उनका जैसे जैसे growth होगा, they will learn many more new things. Okay, जब आप भी born हुए थे तो you were like this. You were not having teeth, तो आप कुछ खाते भी नहीं थे. You used to only drink the milk. ममा आपको मिल्क पिलाते थे एंड स्लोली जैसे टाइम पास हुआ, 1 day, then 1 month, 2 month, 3 months, 5 months, 6 months, then you started slowly sitting on your place. Then after 2-3 months you started walking. Then after 2-3 months you started running and everything. You start speaking. आपको teeth आने लगते हैं तो आप कुछ खा भी सकते हैं. So when you are born as a baby, it's everyone is born as a baby and slowly we grow. Okay, now after this comes the second stage and the name of the second stage is a child. ठीक है, जब बेबी बड़ा हो जाता है थोड़ा सा, so we call them as child. ठीक है, this is the stage where you are right now. अभी आप सब क्या हैं? You all are child. ठीक है, जब बेबी 3 years का हो जाता है तो ममा यूज टू सेंड देम टू स्कूल. आप सब भी जब 3 years के हो गए तो आप स्कूल आने लगे थे ना, राइट? फर्स्ट आप टॉट केयर में आए, देन यू यूज टू क्राई इन द टॉट केयर. जब आप पहले आते थे तो क्राई करते थे ना. येस, यू ऑल यूज टू क्राई. देन स्लोली आप बड़े हुए, आपने पूरा 1 year टॉट केयर में स्टडी की. देन यू वेंट टू नर्सरी, देन यू वेंट टू जूनियर KG एंड देन यू केम टू सीनियर KG. नाउ यू ऑल आर इन senior KG, right? So after senior KG you will go to class 1st, 2nd, 3rd. ऐसे आप कहाँ तक जाओगे? You will go up to class 12th. ओके, सो दिस इज़ अ पीरियड कॉल्ड चाइल्ड, जहाँ पे बच्चा स्टडी करना स्टार्ट करता है. ही यूज़ टू स्टडी, ही यूज़ टू लर्न मैनी न्यू थिंग्स. हम न्यू गेम्स सीखते हैं, हम बहुत सारी न्यू बातें सीखते हैं. वी लर्न अ लॉट इन दिस स्टेज. हम बहुत कुछ सीखते हैं इस स्टेज में. अब हमारी बॉडी डेवलप होती है, हम धीरे धीरे ग्रो करते हैं, हमारी हाइट बढ़ती है, वी पुट ऑन सम वेट. ओके, सो ऑल आवर हेयर स्टार्ट ग्रोइंग मोर. तो क्या होता है? हमारी बॉडी ग्रो करती है. ठीक है, नाउ आफ्टर चाइल्ड व्हेन यू there come the next stage and this stage is called, see this is a baby child boy and child girl. Okay, now after the stage of child there comes a third stage and the name of the stage is adolescent age. What is the name of the stage? Adolescent stage. Okay, so after completing your school you go for your higher studies. It means आप college जाते हैं, right? You go to the colleges for higher study. You plan for your future कि आपको आगे जाके क्या करना है. Like you decide your future. किसी को डॉक्टर बनना है, किसी को पायलट बनना है, someone wants to become engineer, someone wants to run their own business, someone wants to go foreign and settle there. So all these things you decide in this stage, in your adolescent stage, and according to that you do your higher studies. ठीक है? So in this stage you decide what you are going to do in the future. So this is an adolescent stage. Okay, now after completing this stage, after completing your studies, the next stage is our adult stage. What is this stage? Adult stage. This is the stage where mama, papa and your ma'am, everyone is. This is an adult stage. जब आप बड़े हो जाते हो, when you start earning, आप क्या करते हो? You start earning. आपने जो professions choose किया है, you start working in it. आप job करना start कर देते हैं, or you run your own business, or you have become some professional. So this is the stage where adult when you earn a fame and you start earning और आप अपना नाम बनाते हो, right? You earn and you follow your profession or you do follow your business. Okay, some choose to prefer job, some used to do their own business like this, or some become the professionals जिनको जो field में जाना होता है. You decide in the adolescent stage and you are following the same when you become an adult. Okay, now after this stage there comes the last stage of the human development. Okay, human growth. This is the last stage and the name of this stage is elderly. What is the name of this stage? Elderly. So this is the last stage of the human development and after this there is no growth in human beings. ठीक है, elderly का मतलब होता है when we grow old, जब हम थोड़े बूढ़े हो जाते हैं. Like your grandfather और grandmother, यहाँ आपके नाना नानी हैं, so they all are now grown up and they are in the elderly stage and there is no growth after this stage. This is the last stage of growth. Okay, so these were the 5 stages of the human development as I have shown you. The first stage is child's baby boy or a baby girl. Second stage is child. The third stage is adolescent. The fourth stage is an adult and the fifth and the last one is a elderly, and this is the last stage of development, human growth. After this the growth stops. Okay, so this was our today's topic. Now you are going to take out your workbook and take out page number 8 in your workbook. ठीक है, so this is a worksheet we are going to do today. Okay, so stages of human growth. See here, ladder is given. ठीक है, one is for baby boy, the first one is baby boy and second is for baby girl. So here some cutouts are given and it's see baby boy cutout and baby girl cutout is given. Then baby boy child and girl child. Then boy adolescent and girl adolescent. Then adult boy, adult girl and elderly boy and elderly girl. All the pictures are given. You are going to cut them out and you will stick here. Okay, so this has to be done by you. You are going to stick it and click the photo and send it to ma'am. This was all about today's session. Bye everyone.